Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am sharing one of the Python problem with solution. Today our problem is write a Python function to remove duplicates from a list. The problem statement is write a Python function to remove duplicates from a list. Only remove the duplicate from a list. Let's start our coding session. I explain how to handle it. So I am opening VS Code editor, create one Python script that's like remove duplicate. Our Python file name is remove duplicates .py. In our problem, they mentioned Python function. First of all, write a Python function to remove duplicates from a list. To remove duplicates from a list. So I create one function that's like this keyword used, and then in this place I mentioned the function name remove duplicates. Duplicate. So remove duplicate is our function name, and then in this place I have pass one argument parameter that's like list1 L1. In this place just I pass it, and then if name underscore main double underscore main, put in one list L1. So list is 156, sorry guys, 56, 56, 78, and then 34, 67. You know that if you use if double underscore name equal to main, in this method you can use in the testing purpose. In this place I just call it the function print remove duplicate L1. So if you remove the duplicates we have used in set method, you know that if you use this set, it will remove the duplicate elements. So I am using in this place set concept. Just in this place list equal to, I think list is a keyword, so you don't use keyword. In this place just list underscore I mention it. So guys, in this place I have used set of L1. Set L1. Just I return our values list underscore 1. Return list1 list underscore. So if you used in this place, I have created one function that's like remove duplicate, and then I have pass one parameter that's like L1. If you use the set concept, it will remove the duplicate values. So that's the purpose I used the in this place set keyword. So after my return value is list in this one. So I mention it. If you use in this concept, if name double equal to main, it is used the testing purpose, or I am using in this method. So I have just run it. Our output is 1, 34, 67, 78, 56. But in this place, our result is only set. Just as get type of that list underscore print type of list1. That is it. That's type as set, because in this place the result written in curly bracket inside the curly bracket. So this is set. Okay, just I run it. So class has set, just send it, it's type. So just in this place I mention a list. Sorry guys. So just I mention the list. See this now, the result written is only list format. it will return the square bracket. So it's a list. Now, if you have doubt, you can check it type of that list underscore. Print I am type of list underscore. So just I run it. See this class as list, and then our result is 134, 67, 78, 56. That's our result. So guys, I hope in this video is very helpful for you. Today in our class, I have shared with you how to use the list set concept, and then how to use the testing purpose if name main. I hope in this video is very helpful for you. If it helpful, please subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.